Hello and welcome back. In this video we're going to look at doing a very simple glass texture. So as is so often the case with our textures, I've reset to black and white by hitting D, and I'm going to go up to my filters and I'm going to create some clouds. Now in this case I'm going to go back and I'm going to do this again, except this time I'm going to choose difference clouds. That's very black with a lot of detail, so I'm going to hit Control F once, twice. Yeah, we'll give this one a shot. Do it 3 or 4 times. Basically, every time you hit Control F, the difference clouds build on top of each other, and that's why you continue to get a very different look. But alright, we've got this, so we're going to go up to Filter, go to our Filter Gallery, and choose Glass. And distortions 15 is probably fine. Smoothness we can kick up a little bit. Let's try that around 3. That's better. Frosted would typically be fine. And if you do that, if we lower down scaling, you'll get a little bit better look. I'm going to actually go in and do blocks, so I'm going to bump my scaling up. Something like that. Yeah, that's not too shabby. And then I'm going to go in and Image, Adjustments, Hue and Saturation. I'm going to make sure I have Colorize checked. And then we'll just punch in 200. That's not bad. Saturation's pretty heavy. Yeah, maybe a little more. That's pretty good. Lightness is good at 0. And bango, we have a basic block glass texture. Feel free to play around with these and do some different things in terms of using frosted or blocks, things like that. We can also do a few other things. I'll undo this here a little bit. We could also go in and we could stack some textures. We go up to Artistic, Dry Brush. And then maybe add glass on there. You could get a pretty interesting effect with that. Not sure I love it. I'm going to delete that one and delete that one. How about plastic wrap? Then try another one with glass. I get some interesting stuff going. And we can colorize that. A 200. Oops. Stop that. Colorize. 200. And I had what, 18? And that could be a pretty interesting glass texture too. So you can see, play around with a little bit with that. Play around with using some different filters to get some different effects. And save them all out as different glass textures. And on that note, see you in the next video.